to help unhoused people across California. ABC 7 News reporter Tim John sat in on the governor's news conference today. He joins us live from the newsroom with details of the announcement. Tim?
Yeah, Kristen, lots of interesting things came out of the governor's news conference today, but one big thing he emphasized was accountability. He noted several times that this money from the state to help tackle homelessness wasn't free. His office expects recipients to adhere to strict rules and regulations while still following a compassionate approach to this issue. In a virtual news conference Friday, Governor Gavin Newsom announced more than $130 million to help combat the state's homelessness crisis.
We need to take back the streets, and these encampment resolution grants are part of that.
In total, 18 cities and counties across the state will be receiving part of the money. That includes several locations here in the Bay Area, like San Francisco and Contra Costa County. Contra Costa County Supervisor John Joya says his county plans on using the $5.7 million they're receiving to clear an encampment near the city of San Pablo. Joya says the county will provide permanent housing for those currently living in the encampment, as well as wraparound services, something that wouldn't be possible without the state's help.
It costs money to move people off the street into shelter and permanent housing, especially those who have mental health or substance abuse issues and need supportive services to remain in housing.
During the news conference, Newsom emphasized that the state wants to see tangible results from the money they provide to local jurisdictions. However, he also stressed that compassion for those impacted is also important, a critical point for Aaron Ritchell of San Francisco's Coalition on Homelessness.
So if we continue to see attitudes that are going to lead to policymaking that is going to criminalize homelessness, that's going to dehumanize those experiencing homelessness, then we're only going to see an increase in those numbers.
Ritchell says while the coalition was happy to hear about the money being given out, they also want to make sure it actually gets to those most in need.
This has been done in the past, and we've seen that those funds don't exactly make it into the programs and organizations that would help pull people out of homelessness and prevent homelessness.
As for Joya, he says Contra Costa County looks forward to continuing to work with the state because he knows this money is only one step in solving the problem for good.
We just need a lot more money to get this done. And the 3 jurisdictions that are getting funding from the state in this round badly need it, but we will need more.
And other Bay Area places that are set to receive some of this money include San Jose, Antioch, Berkeley, and Richmond. I'm live in the newsroom. Tim Johns, ABC 7 News.
Tim, thank you.